Today, we are diving deep into yet another important topic, which is what happens to your body when you quit eating sugar for 14 days. What is likely going to happen to your body? And don't worry, I'm not just going to tell you to quit eating sugar for 14 days, I'm also going to give you the alternative that you can take in order for you to maintain not eating sugar for these 14 days and then actually see what happens to your body if this is something that you would really love to continue with, which actually might end up being something that you will want to continue with if you really love your health. Before we continue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any video from me. So first of all, we are going to take a look at the sugar addiction. We all know that sugar can be very addictive, but just how much sugar are we consuming daily? The average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar every single day, which adds up to a whopping 57 pounds per year. So what happens to your body when you finally decide to quit taking sugar for 14 days? Number one, withdrawal symptoms. Of course, everything that you are used to doing every single day like that, once you stop, you are going to experience the withdrawal symptoms that comes with it. So you might experience the symptoms like cravings, irritability, fatigue, and this is because sugar addiction can be as powerful as drug addiction with similar symptoms. There is someone that I know that takes sugar every single day, and even though he's diabetic, he said he can't stop taking the sugar because that is what gives him the energy to work. So just imagine being diabetic, still consuming extra sugar every single day because it gives him the energy that he says he needs to work. If he tries to withdraw today, he's going to experience this withdrawal symptom. But of course, whatever the withdrawal symptoms is, we can go past it. We can go past it. And if you are really serious on going on this journey, you want to avoid it. Okay, now I have told you the symptoms you will likely experience. When they come, you are going to know that it is actually the withdrawal symptom that is knocking on your door and you don't want to go back. A study in neuropsychopharmacology in 2002 found that sugar activates the brain reward center in the same way like drugs like cocaine, which leads to the cravings and withdrawal when sugar intake is reduced. So the withdrawal symptoms is something that you are likely going to experience from day 1 to 3. So if you can go past day 1 to 3 without going back, without looking back and going back to consume sugar, we are now on to the next stage, which is your day 4 to 7. And once you hit your day 4 to 7, you are going to notice improved energy. This is because your body is no longer riding the sugar roller coaster where the energy spikes and crashes are very common. So you are going to just experience this improved energy levels that is even better than when you were consuming the sugar. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2013 showed that high sugar consumption is associated with increased fatigue and decreased alertness. On your day 4 to your day 7, you are going to experience this improved energy. And then we are moving on to the next stage, which is your day 8 to your day 10. Now, once you are in your day 8 to your day 10, you will start noticing improved sleep quality. You'll be having better sleep quality. The high sugar intake can disrupt your sleep pattern and lead to restless nights. So you are not going to be experiencing the restless night anymore because by this time, your sleep quality has improved a lot. And also another study that was published in the Journal of Appetite in 2016 found out that individuals who consumed more sugar had poorer sleep quality and were more likely to wake up during the night. So imagine not consuming the sugar again, and you don't have to wake up during the night to scroll on your phone or to just stare at your ceiling or to wake your partner to stay awake with you. You don't have to do that anymore because you are no longer consuming sugar at this stage. Once we are done with the day 8 to day 10, we move over to day 11. So what happens on your day 11 to 14th? Here you are going to notice improved mood and skin. In the final days of your sugar detox, your mood may improve significantly. That is because sugar can lead to mood swings and increased feeling of anxiety. Not consuming it anymore means, of course, you're going to be having good mood. You won't be having that excessive mood swing that is going to probably put you in trouble. You're also going to notice your skin will be looking better. Your skin will glow. Your skin will be healthy. All this will happen when you stop sugar. If you were breaking out on your face, you'll notice that all the breakouts are beginning to vanish. So that is because sugar also contributes to acne on the skin. Another study that was published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry in 2017 stated that or found a strong link between high sugar intake and increased risks of depression and anxiety. If you've been toeing that path, you might want to reconsider and go on this journey and detox your body of sugar. So what are the alternatives that you need to consuming this sugar? To maintain a healthy lifestyle beyond the 14-day challenge that we are embarking on, it is also essential to replace your sugar with healthier alternatives. And now these healthy sugar alternatives includes your natural sweeteners like honey, your maple syrup or stevia. These options provide sweetness without the adverse effect of refined sugar. Another data shows that stevia, for example, has been studied extensively and is also considered a safe sugar substitute. A study in Appetite in 2010 found that stevia can help to reduce your sugar cravings. Quitting sugar for 14 days can lead to a remarkable transformation in your body, from improved energy levels and also to better skin and sleep. So to maintain a healthy lifestyle, opt for natural sweeteners like your honey and your stevia or your maple syrup, and continue like this if you want to maintain the results that you have achieved. If you found this informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video. Leave your comments down below. I love to read from you always, so drop your comments down in the comment section. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss when I drop a new video like this on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.